Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A03. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find the Firefox. Select it from the list, and right here you should see install button like this. Click on it. When it's done, click on the open. Right here we can customize the browser with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing. When we open any website, you can see that the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.